Okay. It's a question of CAT 2024 slot 2. A bus starts at 9 a.m., follows a fixed route every day. One day traveled at a constant speed of 60. So that's a different day. One day traveled at a constant speed of 60 and reached its destination 3.5 hours later than its scheduled arrival time. We don't know the exact actual speed here. Next day traveled two-thirds of its route in one-third of its total scheduled time. That means you need to divide the time by 1 by 3 and the distance he has taken only two-thirds and the remaining part of the route at 40 kilometers per hour to reach just on time. So he's comparing three cases here. The first one is what the normal one. I don't know the normal speed here. Let's take it equal to x. We travel the complete distance. Since we need to take what two-thirds of its route, so let's assume that the total distance is 3D. We covered 3D distance in how much time? We need to take one-third of the time. So let's take the total time equal to 3t. Fine. So there's a usual time that is 3t and the usual distance is 3d. So speed, which I've taken x, must be equal to how much? 3d by 3t, which comes out to be d by 3 here. This is case number one. Next day, on another day, when his speed was 60, he reached his destination 3.5 hours later. That means he'll be covering 3d distance in how much time? 3t plus 3.5 hours. That's the second case. What's the third case here? Next day, it traveled two-thirds of its route. So what's two-thirds of 3D? It's 2D. He traveled 2D distance and the remaining D is the remaining D. He traveled 2D distance in one-third of the total scheduled travel time. Total scheduled travel time was 3T. So one-third will become T by 3 here. Route in one-third of the total scheduled travel time. Scheduled time was 3T. So 3T, one-third of 3T would be T. Now, how much is left? Two-third of 3t. That means he covered the remaining d in how much time? Two-third of 3t. Two-third of 3t comes out to be how much? 2t. And this must be equal to t. And the remaining part of the route at 40 kilometer per hour. That means his speed for the second part of the journey in third case is 40. Can be calculated. He has covered effectively d kilometers in how much time? 2t. And this is given equal to 40 kilometers per hour. So can we say d by t must be equal to how much? 80. And what was d by t? His usual speed, which is equal to 80. Now can we say, if you look at the first case, he has covered 3D distance with the speed of 80 in how much time? In 3D time. Since the distance is constant, we know that speed into time, which is equal to 3t here. This should be same for the second case. Second case, his speed was 60 and the time was 3t plus 3.5 hours. So after solving this, we'll definitely get the value of t. Let's see how much is t. 240t is equal to 180t plus 35 into 6. That is 210. So I get 330t is equal to 210 here. That means t is how much? It's 7 hours. T is 7 hours here. 240 minus 180 will give you 60. Sorry. 60t is equal to 210. That means t must be equal to 210 divided by 60. 0 will be cancelled out. You get 7 by 2 here. 3 into 7, which is 3.5 hours. This gives you 3.5 hours. Now, what he's asking, what is the scheduled arrival time of the bus? Scheduled arrival time of the bus here. Now, 3.5 hours is t, but the actual time was 3t. If t is equal to 3.5, 3t must be equal to how much? 10.5 hours. And what's the starting time of the bus? It's 9 a.m. 9 a.m. plus 10.5 hours will give you 7:30. 7:30 p.m. So the answer has to be the third option, 7:30 p.m.